'cause I thought that I had found it. A good thing turned bad and I started to doubt it. Now I'm stuck here asking, like, what does it take to make it past the passion and stick through the pain? Wondering, is it even out there? Till you came in my life and showed me what it's like to be loved. I'll show you what I would do, what I would say, the lengths I would go to, the measures I'd take to be loved. Oh, to be loved by, oh, to be loved by someone who feels, someone who cares, someone who's simply there. Oh, to be loved, oh, to be loved by, oh, to be loved by you. Love is painful, love is hard. Love can see beauty through the scars. There's an art to the age, a brown to the brush strokes, on burgundy canvas. No one like you got that perfect type of love, only from above, nothing like I'm used to. Yeah, this gon' take some getting used to. Eternity could only be the right amount of time to show how much you mean in my life. I'll show you what I would do, what I would say, the lengths I would go to, the measures I'd take to be loved. Oh, to be loved by, oh, to be loved by someone who feels, someone who cares, someone who's simply there. Oh, to be loved, oh, to be loved by, oh, to be loved by you. Oh, to be loved, oh, to be loved by, oh, to be loved by you. Oh, yeah. Oh, to be loved, oh, to be loved by, oh, to be loved by you. But I'm afraid, I'm scared of those romantic words you see. Ain't it ironic how those are just the songs I sing about my lovely? Do you really love me when I hear you whisper under your breath?
Assalamualaikum and a good evening. First of all, we would like to thank all of you for being here to celebrate this wonderful day. Today is not just about two people joining together, but about two families becoming one. Standing here as Iha's brother, my heart is full of emotions. I'm happy, sad, and honestly still a little confused. I still can't believe that you are now someone's wife. It all happened so fast, and it feels like it was only yesterday that we were running around the house, fighting over the small things, and now here you are, sitting together with your husband, starting this whole new chapter of your life.
I hope you will be the best husband for her, caring for her mom for the rest of her life. And in her, our dearest sister, today you begin a new chapter in your life. We hope you carry into your marriage the same courage, love, and strength that always showed us. Thank you for being a big part of our lives.
We love you, Iha!
Those romantic words sing about my lovely? Do you really love me when I hear you whisper under your breath, I love you? So I love you. So I love you.
Thank you to all the guests for taking time to come here and celebrate our special day with us. From our family that come from
for giving me the opportunity and trusting me to love your daughter. I'll take a good care of her with all my life.
Trust me to catch you at the bottom of the pool. If I told you my whole heart that I loved you, that I loved you, that I loved you. But I'm afraid I'm scared of those romantic words you see. Ain't it ironic how those are just the songs I sing about my lovely? Do you really love me when I hear you whisper under